You really think you're gonna beat me?
Yes.
Me.
Yes.
Y'all gonna beat me. I got 4 wheels and an American dream.
I know I can beat you.
I've been waiting for this forever. We're gonna find out who's the best at riding bikes.
We're gonna smoke you.
Yeah, those long legs are gonna get dusted.
Well, let's just find out.
Let's race.
We got 2 wheels right here.
Let's race. You're about to be smoked, bro.
You wish, bro.
You're not even ready for this.
All right, first one to the Toys for Tots finish line, they win.
Deal.
Let's go.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Tipton Ford is an official drop-off location for the Toys for Tots drive from now until December 18th. Thank you for watching. You can view our previous videos by clicking in the bottom right, where we give out Tipton tips for vehicle maintenance and allow our viewers to get to know our team members. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and bell to stay notified for our next videos.